नमस्ते। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग और कैसे चल रहा है आपकी कैसे चल रही है आपकी नवरात्रि? क्या क्या कर रहे हैं और क्या आप दिवाली के एंटिसिपेशन में ऑलरेडी ये सोच रहे हैं कि मैं क्या पहनूं और मैं कैसे दिखूंगी और हम लोग क्या खाना बनाने वाले हैं? वैसे इस टाइम ऑफ कोर्स दिवाली थोड़ी अलग टाइप की रहेगी बिकॉज वी विल नॉट बी मीटिंग एज मेनी फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिलीज एज वी टिपिकली डू। लेकिन दिवाली का त्योहार जितनी खुशियाँ लाता है उतना ही सारा अनफॉर्चुनेटली एसिडिटी, ब्लोटिंग, बॉडी स्टिफनेस ये सब भी लाता है। अभी ऑफ कोर्स ये दिवाली का फॉल्ट नहीं है, ये हाउ वी आर ट्रीटिंग दिवाली उसका फॉल्ट है। सो व्हाट वी टिपिकली टेंड टू डू ड्यूरिंग दिवाली इज दैट वी विल ओवर ईट। अभी ध्यान में रखिए, मेरे को ओवर ईटिंग से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लेकिन मुझे माइंडलेस ओवर ईटिंग से बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है। मुझे ऐसे वाले ओवर ईटिंग से बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है जहां आप बाद में खिलाने वालों को गालियां देते हो, या फिर यू नो वेर यू बिगिन टू थिंक लाइक ओ गॉड बहुत खा लिया, बहुत खा लिया, बहुत खा लिया, अब मैं क्या करूं? That is the tamasic or the toxic kind of overeating. The good kind of overeating is अरे यार कितने रसगुल्ले दबाए लेकिन क्या पूरी श्रीखंड था, ओह आज तक मुझे याद है, 10 साल पहले खाया था लेकिन आज तक याद है। That kind of overeating I have no problem with. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल overeating मतलब जब हम पचाने के काबिलियत के बाहर खाते हैं तो क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं। So some of the problems that we tend to get because we are unable to digest what we have eaten are headaches, acidity, bloating. All right, any one of these things happen, you don't look at your best. You get a headache, of course you start looking dull. You get acidity, your face looks puffed up. You have bloating, your stomach looks big and you can no longer wear that dress that you really want to wear where your flat stomach is going to be seen. So what are some of the things that you can do to prevent these three? It's really very simple. Number one, have water. Don't forget to have water. The minute we are amongst too many people we forget to have water. मुझे तो वैसे इनवेरिएबली ऐसे लगता है that every time you travel to America कि अमेरिका में कोई भी रेस्टोरेंट में कभी पानी पूछता ही नहीं है। वैसे ही you know one of the greatest things about older cultures, whether it is India or Pakistan or Afghanistan or the Middle East or you know the South Americas, is that the minute you go to someone's house, people ask for water. Now again with us, as we are getting modern, we are forgetting to offer water to people. So whenever you are going to be eating a festive meal, first make sure that you are having adequate water and that you are well hydrated. अभी well hydrated के जो है, it's not just water that you have to drink, but you also have to ensure that you're not having any kind of caffeinated drinks, that you're not having any kind of colas, that you're not having any kind of cocktails, and that you're not having any kind of juices. So triple C and J you need to avoid, and water is what you need to sip on. So that's the first thing. All of these are dehydrating in nature. They're going to give you HAB whether or not you realize that. So the first thing is have water. The second thing is sit down to eat your meal. शास्त्रों में कहा गया है कि मूर्ख आदमी के वो लक्षण है कि जो खड़े खड़े खाता है या जो घूमते घूमते हुए खाता है, which is typically what we do in Indian wedding season with buffets. If you do not want headache, acidity and bloating, and if you want to have a good meal, then you need to sit down and eat your meal. All right, sit down in one place and eat your meal. फिर मील में आपके क्या होना चाहिए? So in your meal, make sure that you are not eating everything that is laid on the table. Okay, choose करो wisely कि अपना digestion capacity कितना है. So what is it that I should be eating? So first of all, avoid anything raw. You know, don't go with the whole salads and cut fruits just because they're there. Don't eat them. This is a celebratory meal. Eat the stuff which you can actually celebrate with. All right. Then have in your main course, just make sure that you are picking up 3 items at the most. So don't eat more than 3 things. What is the meaning of don't eat more than 3 things? If it is puri, shrikhand and sabzi, then that's it. That's your main course. If it is biryani, kebab, raita, then that's it. That's your main course. If it is some bhakri and an usar and some deep fried bhajia, then that's it. That's your main course. You know, you can take it like that. And the third one is, this is special during festivals, that you eat your dessert invariably with the meal. You know, this is something which happens only during festivals. But now, even when you're having your desserts, instead of having cold desserts, you know, desserts which have just been made and they're lying around for a very long time, instead of that, eat the fresh and the homemade desserts. Today, most of us are able to lay down more than 2 or 3 desserts at one meal. But what we must ensure that we are not going for all of those 2 or 3. Between all the desserts that are laid down, pick up the one that you would like to eat and eat only that, and eat it with all your love and attention. That's how you enjoy a meal. And it's natural to eat a little more than usual during festivals, but it is not natural to have headache, acidity and bloating post that meal. So by just following these 3 simple rules, you will be able to help yourself. So please do that. That's the first thing that I would like to say to you. Now, what are the other things that lead to headache, acidity and bloating? Drinking. And by drinking I mean drinking alcohol. So first of all, देखो, दारू और दिवाली का कोई लेना देना नहीं है. ऑलराइट, पब्लिक जो दारू पीता है, they just need a reason. आज दुख है इसलिए आज सुख है, इसलिए आज दिवाली है उसलिए. So what you all must know is that alcohol in all amounts is bad for your body. Okay, and all kinds of alcohol, so wine, rum, whiskey, tharra, जो भी आप पीते हो, everything is bad for your body. It is a known carcinogenic. It should ideally carry a health warning, like the way cigarettes carry a health warning, but as yet they do not carry a health warning. However, अगर आप मजबूर हो and you still have to drink, what should you do? So the first thing is that you must eat your meal before you drink. Okay, and what kind of a meal? Dinner, matlab you have to eat like a rice dal or whatever that you want to eat, whether you are eating biryani, whether you are eating roti sabzi, जो भी या paneer roll, जो भी आपको खाना है. First you eat your meal, then you drink. Okay, now when you drink, take your time and drink. So sip on your drink slowly. The third thing is, if you want to have one more drink after this drink, drink water before you have the next drink. And then after you have this drink, abhi again water, and then full stop. No matter how much people ask you to drink more. उसके बाद में किसी को भी टेक्स्ट नहीं करने का, व्हाट्सएप नहीं करने का, सोशल मीडिया पे पोस्ट नहीं बनाने का और गाड़ी नहीं चलाने का. Alright, so these are the things that you need to remember when you're drinking. Now, please remember that if you try to get your way out of these things, you know, कि अभी कांड तो कर लिया, you know, I've eaten too much, I've drunk too much, what should I do? So maybe not eating anything at all the next day. So if you try to detox, if you try to fast the next day, or if you try to burn it out with exercise, then please understand that you will compound these problems and they will come back with a bigger force. And unfortunately, this time they will not just remain to headaches, acidity and bloating, but they may convert to taking a toll on your organs like the kidney, the liver, the heart, even your thyroid. So what should you do? You should just go back to having a normal day. Okay? So how do you get back to having a normal day? If there is headache, acidity and bloating, wake up, have a glass of normal water. If the headache is more, start your day with a banana. If the acidity and bloating is more, start your day with gulkand. Then remember to have your breakfast. और breakfast से सब कुछ normal पे चले जाओ. Alright, have a very normal breakfast. Make sure that you're having 30 minutes of exercise and this exercise will be lighter in intensity than what you typically do. On a tired body, if you do more exercise, you will have more bloating, more acidity, more headache. So the way to get rid of this is to do lesser exercise. Move your body, but do it lesser. So I hope that this is all clear to you. Remember that most of us also get colds, flus and cough during this season because of this whole thing that we fail to address appropriately. So here's hoping that you have had an advance notice to plan how to have your celebratory meals, that you will put all of these checks and balances in place, and at this time during the Sayed, during the Shera, during Diwali, you will have flawless skin, flat stomach and a great mood. So here's wishing you the very best. Have a great day. See you tomorrow at 9. Bye bye.